my friends, welcome to my channel Stylish Creations, and I hope you all guys doing great. We are having a very beautiful sunny weather today after having snowstorms, and this is really a blessing. I really enjoy this sun. Today I'm here with another DIY project. Today we are preparing this beautiful female hat. This project is so much fun, and recently I really inspired by the old-fashioned style women's hat, and I really got so many compliments after wearing this hat, so I thought I should share with my YouTube followers. So let's head to our today very simple and quick project. Alright, for this project all we need fleece throw. I'm using this for my new hat, but if you have any kind of fabric you can use that one. That doesn't matter because we are using this bedding inside, so which gonna make a harder our this topper, you know. So we need two round petals from the fleece throw and the one circle petal from our bedding. Then I have pins here, then I have a tailor chalk, my scissor, and my measuring tape. So my top round circle, first one is that's the after prepare, it's 10 inches length, or you know, the all circle, but because we are sewing inside too, so we need 1 inches on side, so total circle will be 12 by 12 inches, you know, on a full circle. So we're gonna cut the 3 petals, 1 bedding and 2 our fleece throw, and as I told you, you can use any old blanket, old sweater, whatever you have, just be creative with that, and it's gonna turn out pretty, because once it's done, it's like, you know, it's perfect. So let's head out to the project. All right, as you can see, I have cut my first petal with my bedding. It's a 12 by 12 inches circle, and I'm gonna use do same thing with my fabric, and I will be back. I needed 2 circles from my fabric. Oh boy, we can make like so many hats through this fabric, and I'm gonna keep this because then I can use with my matching dressing, you know. And all I'm gonna do, just place this. I have 2 layers here. Place this on each other and place this. And that's it. Only easy way you can cut. I guess that's the easiest way to cut 2 petals together.
Are you ready?
And that's it. As you can see, we got our 3 circles. Awesome. Alright, so that's our top. This one is our center, this one is our bottom. So we're gonna paste them like this. So I can feel it, it's already like, you know, giving me hard look, and oh my god, I love this pattern. It's cute. So the next part I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut the next part of our today hat. Alright, so the next piece which I have got, that's 31 inches long and 10 inches wide. And if you notice, I have keep safe this hemming from our blanket, so this will give us a neat look. Even this gonna hide inside when we're gonna fold it, like, you know, but still it's a pretty neat, you know. So we're gonna save this, if you save it if you can. And the next part we're gonna do, we're gonna close these 2 open parts with our sewing. We're gonna attach them together So after attaching them together, you know, we already have this like on a circle shape here. So we're gonna attach this circle with the pinups with this circle, or something gonna look like this after sewing, you know, this fabric with our circle. So I will finish this part and then I will be back. Alright, as you can see, I also hem on both sides the sewing, so when we fold it, it's gonna look pretty clean from out and inside too.
And then we're gonna attaching this fabric to our circle. Make sure you're grabbing the 3 pieces, you know, from, so it's like a 4-layer fabric we're gonna sew together. Please feel free to comment below and post your picture if you really tried this, you know, hat design. I'd really love to see how you guys think it.
And this fleece fabric is so easy to work with, really, you know, it's adjustable, you can stretch it, and you know, whatever you want to do, it's very handy. I love it. And it's cheap to do because, you know, with the one blanket you can use that fabric in so many other projects as well. So I'm gonna keep doing this. As you can see, it's already looking good, and I will back. Alright, as you can see, our after pin up our hat is already coming together. So are we just gonna sew on the side, and then we're gonna use a couple more stitchings, and then it's almost done. This is very quick project, really. Again, I'm saying, you just make sure you are grabbing all those 4 layers.
No. Because you want to make sure your head is secure and good looking. To make sure you stay under circle, so that's how your head will have a neat look.
So if you see my previous sewing video, I had to give you a trick. If you have any circle, you know, like this, we have a circle here, you probably make a small cuts on a side of circle, because when you're gonna fold it, we're gonna have a neat, clean look. That makes sense?
But be careful, don't cut the sewing part, because then you're not going to have a perfect look. Oh god, I'm so excited. There we are.
So now that will help us to fold, flip our inside out. And this is so perfect. So perfect. Alright, the next part we're gonna do, we're gonna stitch on the top of here. If you want to do iron before that, that will be more better, you know, so we can, you know, have like a little more flat fabric. And after that, like I'm gonna make like a 3 to 4 layers in a circle on the top of this. Alright, as you can see, the top is already pretty. Alright, so the next part is we're gonna make some plates like inside. If I show you my previous hat, you see that these plates I have made inside. So this fabric, like when we are folding outside, so that give us a little bit of, you know, like a style. So you can adjust this one. That's why we made this loose part. It's 31 inches fabric, so you can adjust with your head as many as plates you like. So this was the opening part, and I turned into, you see, already in a piping style. So that's our one plate here. I'm gonna make 2 plates right across here, and then 2 here and 2 here, and then I will be back.
You can be creative whatever designs you like over the plates. Would you like more than 2 plates, or you want to make 3 or 5 plates? Go for that, you know, it's your hat, and you should be creative whatever way you like it.
See, I have made 2 plates, and it's pretty. I'm gonna make like on more on these corners, and I will see how it's adjusted on my head, and if I needed more, I will put more plates. As you can see, we have created a very beautiful hat. All we have just folded this, you know, you can come up with different designs. You can use a matching button or like some decorative piece on top, or wherever you like it. I like simple, and it's very adjustable. You can make like a different styles. You can sew hair together, and I like on the side, and it's very pretty and comfy, you know. And I'm sure you guys will like this video. If you really like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations, and stay tuned for more DIY and sewing and cooking fun projects. God bless you all. Bye bye.